Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up for Ellii and get a subscription. Ellii offers ready-made printable and digital lessons, videos, flashcards, resources, and more. By subscribing, you get access to everything that's on the site. So without further ado, let's get started. From ellii.com, click the blue Pricing and Sign Up button. We have our individual subscription and our organization subscription. Our individual subscription is for teachers or tutors who pay out of pocket. It comes with 35 student accounts and can be paid every 3 months, 6 months, or yearly. For organizations or groups of more than one teacher, the organization subscription is for you. Click Get Quote to continue, or check out our video called What is an Organization Account for more information. To view the pricing for the individual plan, click as low as right above the monthly breakdown. This will display the pricing for the 3-month term, the 6-month term, and the 12-month term. If you need to change your currency, click the arrow at the top and make your selection. Click Get Started to continue. After the welcome message, enter your first name and your last name. Next, enter your email address and create a password. From the menu, pick an option that best describes the teacher you are. You can pick more than one. From there, you can choose the term you'd like to subscribe to: 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Once you have picked a term, enter your card information, or you can pay with PayPal by clicking the PayPal option at the top. Once you have entered your card details and have agreed to the terms, click Place Order at the bottom. You'll then have immediate full access to this subscription, and you can begin creating a class, inviting students, and sending assignments. That's it for this video on how to sign up for Ellii. If you have any questions, please let us know. We hope you enjoy your subscription. Happy teaching!
Ellii.